Shalom, אני אורי,
שלום, אני אנה.
and today we're gonna teach you guys some Hebrew numbers. מספרים.
אחת, שתיים, שלוש, ארבע, חמש, שש, שבע, שמונה, תשע, עשר.
20,
שלושים,
40,
חמישים,
60,
שבעים,
80,
תשעים.
100. That's it, guys. We have a PDF attached to this video, so make sure you go to the link and download it and keep practicing. And as always, share this video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let us know what you think. Shalom.
שלום.